Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between this Bissell and Shark vacuum cleaner. On the left, I got the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo, and on the right, I got the Shark Navigator Lift Away Deluxe. I got a really big mess here. Let's see how they both do. Now with both vacuum cleaners, I do have a three-way switch here. The middle position is bare floor and it doesn't turn the roller on. When I've got it in the third position, that's when the brush roller is on. Same with over here. No brush roller on. Okay, so I thought they both did a really good job on carpet. You know, the Bissell is a little bit wider. It definitely has a larger storage bin for storing dirt and material. As far as maneuverability, I thought they both maneuvered the same on carpet. Let's go see how they do on hardwood floors. Okay, so in that first test, I had the roller brushes on, and the Shark did kind of shoot some of the stuff backwards. In this one, I'm going to turn them both off, the rollers off. Okay, so in that test, they both did about the same, with the roller brushes off. So they both feature lift-off technology. So the Bissell, I'm simply going to press this button and I can take this whole unit off when I'm done, put it on. Same with the Shark, a little bit different. I got to press this button and now the whole unit comes off. I can take this wherever I want. When I'm done, line it up, put it back on. Okay, so let's empty them out, see how they did. The Bissell's got a tank release button right here. Press the tank release. The Shark, I've got these latches, 2 latches on each side, or 1 latch on each side. Take this whole unit off, let's go empty them out. Okay, here I have the Bissell, press the release button, everything comes out. Over here with the Shark, again, another release button, press it, everything comes out. So the Bissell does have a filter here in the lid. Once in a while you are going to have to clean it out. The Shark has a filter right here. Once in a while you will have to take these 2 filters out, wash them out, let them dry overnight, and then put them back in. They both have a valve that will let air in, so if you're on really thick carpet, you want to let a little bit of air in. This one's just a little bit different. It'll let a little air in right there. So the Bissell, you can take the hose off, put an attachment on it. It's got a little bit longer hose, a little bit easier. But I can also take the wand off, put my attachments on, and I got a really nice long wand. Now same with the Shark, I can take this off. I can't take the hose off here, but I can take this off, put an attachment on, put this back. I can also take the wand off here, and I also have a really nice extension. And then putting it back like that. Now they both have a HEPA filter. Here on the Shark, we're gonna lift this up, and then we pull this out. Here's the HEPA filter, very thick. Over here on the Bissell, and then we got this little release. So you can see they both really thick HEPA filters. Okay, so here's what the bottom of them looks like. So the Shark, you do get some hair wrap around it once in a while. Now with the Bissell, it's got this technology. See these grooves? There's a green thing on top that's going to go down in those grooves and help clean out the hair. So on the Bissell, when this turns, you can see that green thing goes down in those grooves, and that's going to get the hair out. So the Shark says it has a 10 amp motor. The Bissell has a 7.5 amp motor. Okay, so right now the Shark is on sale for $160. The Bissell's on sale for $220. Normally retails for $280. So this Shark Liftaway, as far as I know, I mean, it's not available on their website. I think it's only available on Amazon. To me, it seems like a little bit of an older vacuum cleaner, where the Bissell, they just came out with this. That technology looks like it's going to work out pretty good. You know, this is pretty standard as far as cleaning. I do like how the tool's attached to the Bissell better. And on hardwood floors, now when I turned the bristle brush off on both of them, they both did about the same job, but this one actually did a pretty good job with the bristle brush on. This one did not. It kicked everything back behind it, kind of made a bigger mess. So right now, I definitely do like this Bissell. I don't use that lift away technology all that often. And I do like just having a single button that you press to empty it out, where you do have the latches. These aren't that big a deal, but they are latches. But I have cleaned a lot of rooms with this Shark. It actually does a really good job, and it definitely has a higher amperage motor, so maybe it does a little bit more cleaning, but the Bissell seems to have a few more functions. If you've got a lot of hair that wrap around the brush head, it looks like you're gonna want the Bissell. I'll put links to both of these in the show description notes right underneath the video. Be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with these products, I will give them away. Also, this is where I got my Simple Sip coffee, Just a Dad Dark Roast Simple Sip coffee. It's going to be for sale. It's a dark Brazilian roast, whole bean, K-cup, and ground. And I also started a podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people about their stories with coffee. So check that out. That's on all those platforms that you get. Apple Podcasts, Spotify. It's even on YouTube. I do a video version of it also on YouTube. So again, I really do appreciate everybody's support. Again, if you could, please like and hit the subscribe button. That really helps out my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it.